How to set up a Wise bank account. Open up your web browser and go to the Wise website. Once you're on the Wise homepage, you'll see a button that says something like Open an account or Sign up now. Just give that a click. They'll ask you for your email address to create your account, so type in the email address you want to use and hit enter. Now, they'll ask if you want a personal account or a business account. Just pick the one that fits you best. You'll need to tell them where you live, so find your country in the list and click on it. They'll need your phone number for security and to send you a verification code. Type in your phone number and click to proceed. You'll get a text message with a code on your phone. Just hang tight for a moment until it arrives. Once you've got the code, enter it into the box on the website where they ask for it. Now it's time to make a password. Choose something secure that you'll remember easily. Hit the continue button to move forward. They might ask if you want to do more stuff, like sending money abroad. If you do, click on those options. If not, just skip them. Take a quick look over everything to make sure it's all correct. If it is, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Wise account. Now, you have the option to send money abroad, spend abroad, or open accounts in different currencies. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.